In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on More Connections right away. Then click on Printing, select Default Print Service, and wait. Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different print service, you can always do that by going back, clicking on Add Service, and installing the best one for you. I will go with HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Then simply tap on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!